Hello students, today again we are meeting in BA lecture, chapter number 1, Nature and Significance of Management. What we have done up to this lecture, what we will do that is later, somewhat later. But what we have done, nature, complete, significance, importance, complete. Even from past years, ancient times, management comes, that is also complete. These lectures are done. Now, today we are discussing one new thing. Actually, it's not a new thing, which is already done in my past lectures also. Management nature. In management's nature, that was discussed. Management is an art, science. Management is a science. Management is an art. It's a profession. That is discussed in short. But today we are discussing it in detail. Now, what is in detail? Management as a science, management as an art, management as a profession. Explain. 2 marker questions may be in examination. Asked from the topics. Explain management is a science. And you have to write management is a science. Why? Write down 1 mark, 2 mark, whatever will be there. Same way, explain management is an art. Management is a profession. In profession, you can write in detail. 3 marker question may be asked from this. Management is a profession. As a profession. So, totally, we are discussing these 3 things only. Not doing extraordinary things in this lecture. Only simple things which we have discussed in short in past lecture. But today we are discussing same thing in detail. Now what is in detail? It's a simple thing. Starting with first one. Management is a science. Management is a science. Now think. What is science? What is meant by science? Then after compare management with science. Why management called science? Why we are telling management is a science? That we are comparing. So first of all, what is science? Meaning of science. Science means systematic and specialized knowledge. Up to black. Don't see blue. Systematic and specialized knowledge. Science is systematic knowledge. Specialized knowledge. Simple example. Suppose we are boiling water. Then it's evaporate. Simple. So it's a science, specialized knowledge. To do that thing, we have to boil it. Clear? So same way, management has systematic and specialized knowledge. In management, it's there. Management also it is there. In management, what is there? Specialized knowledge is there. Persons are doing MBA. That was also discussed. MBA in HR, Human Resource Management, Financial Management, Marketing Management. It's all type of management done. MBA done in space to get specialized knowledge. So specialized knowledge management also have specialized knowledge. Science also have systematic and specialized knowledge. So it is like science. Clear one thing? Next thing. Science is what? Rules and principles. In science there is rules and principles that we have to follow. If we are doing in that way, then we are getting same result. That is science. Science means rules and principles. In management also there is own principles for HR. For human resource, there is principles. For managing machines, there is principle. For managing capital, there is principle. So HR management, machine management, capital management, many things management, there is own principle to manage, to manage all the things. There is its own principle. In science also, rules and principles are there. So it is like science. So first thing, there is specialized knowledge. In management also there is specialized knowledge. In science, specialized knowledge. In science, rules and principles are there. Management also have their own principles for different purposes. So it is like science. Third one, cause and effect relationship in science. If we are combining two colors, then it becomes new color. Cause and effect. What is the cause? Two colors are mixed up. And because of two colors are mixed up, third color, new color can be found. If blue color and red color mix up, we can get brown color. Or black color or red color mix up, it may be brown color. So it makes new color. Cause is what? Two colors are mixed up, third color automatically getting. So cause and its effect. There is science, it's a science. But in management also there is facts, analysis, experiment. There is facts, there is analysis, there is experiment. Cause and effect. On which basis? In management also cause and effect is there. On the basis of what? Facts. Some facts. Analysis. On the basis of some analysis there is cause and effect. For example, if we are decreasing price of the product, automatically demand increases. Cause and effect relation is there. So that is also management. To capture market, first of all provide goods at low price. If we are providing goods at low price, then first of all are ready to purchase it. And if they are used to with our product, then we can increase our price. Management on the basis of fact, on the basis of analysis, on the basis of experiment. These different experiments can be done, this different analysis can be done. Now on that basis we can get maximum benefit from the market, that is management. So in science whatever is there, same things are available in management also. That's why we can say management is a science. So characteristics of science is in management also. This black color written is characteristics of science, and this blue color is also in management. Means if the same things are applicable in management also, that's why management is a science. Now, by understanding science, we can know only. We can know how to do that. We can know how procedure that we can know by science. That's why, as per George Terry, science teaches one to know. Science teaches what? To know. Know principles. Know if we are doing in this way, what will be the result? If increasing price, what will be the result? If decreasing price, what will be the result? If we are providing good quality product, what will be the result? That we are knowing in science. So science teaches one to know, as per George R. Terry. So George Terry say science teaches one to know. So this is science. Management also have this thing. Thus, management is a science. So this is 2-marker question or 1-marker question may be asked in your examination. You have to write it very carefully. First of all, write science means this. This all the things are available in management also, and that's why management is called science. And as per George R. Terry, science means to know. Know only. Now to do, for doing that thing, it's an art. To know BA subject. I know my BA subject. But how to deliver it to you? That is to do. How to deliver? That is to do. Do means I have to do that in proper way. I know that is okay. But how I am delivering it? That is an art. That art is different for different person. So it's art. It means management is an art. What art? Why science? Because there is rules and regulations. I know which are the rules and regulations. I know principles. I know everything. But how to apply it? That is an art. And that's why management is an art also. Because to know, that is nothing. How to apply it? That is very important one. But yes, to apply, first of all, we should have theoretical knowledge. Because science gives us theoretical knowledge. How to apply? That is not in science. Management point of view. In management point of view, how to do? That is it is an art. It is an art. How we are getting work through others? It's an art. So implementation of rules and regulation of management is an art. So employment of skill. What is art? First of all, I explain what is art. Art means employment of skills and expertise of an individual. Individual expertise is employed. Individual skill employed. How to teach PA that I am applying. So that application is an art. What is art? Art means application of skill and personal expertise. How we are presenting, how we are getting work done. That is art. So art means employment of skill and expertise of individual. And same thing is required to do management also. Employment of skill means employment of skill. Theoretical knowledge is required to employ. To do that thing, I must have theoretical knowledge. I must have principles. I have to know principles of management, and then I can apply. But to apply it, I have to know how to do it. That is an art. So for implementation of knowledge, to know for implementation of skill, I need knowledge. I need information. I need principles. But to principle implementation, art is required. So for implementation of knowledge, art is necessary. How to getting work done? That is an art. Art is necessary to implement knowledge. We are getting knowledge. That is science. But implementing it is an art. So to implement this knowledge, personal skill and proficiency is required. What is art? Personal skill and proficiency required in management. And that's why management is an art also. Why management is an art also? Because there is also needed one type of practical knowledge. How to get practical work, because theory is theory, but application of it very different. So for implementation of knowledge, art is necessary. Art means personal skill and proficiency is required to implementation of that rules and regulations. And that's why management is called art. Management is an art also. Simple. And that's why most important thing again given by George Terry, art teaches one to do. Science teaches one to know which are the rules and regulations, which are the principles, and to apply it, to do it, that is art. So science and art both is in management. I can say management is both, combination of both. Science also there, art also there, because I have to know what to apply and how to apply. That is an art. Both are required. If both the qualities in me, then I can be manager. Otherwise not. So management is not purely science. Management is not purely art. That's why I have written management is combination of both science and art. Science means to know, art means to do, given by George Terry. So not pure science and not pure art. Management is not purely science and art. It is combination of both, because we have to know also, we have to apply also, we have to know, we have to do. Knowing is science, doing is art, and combination of both is management. So not purely science, not purely art. Now to do these two things, know and do, to do this all the things, management becomes profession. Management becomes profession. Now sir, what is profession actually? In profession, we have to get specialized knowledge. We have to apply that specialized knowledge. One committee is there. We have to be member of that committee, and we have to follow rules and regulations of that committee. We have to follow code and conduct of that member of committee. So code and conduct of the members decided that all the connected person have to follow. That is profession. First of all, we have to get specialized knowledge. We have to do as per that specialized knowledge. We have to be member of the committee. Committee decide code of conduct. That code of conduct we have to follow. If we are not following it, we are cancelling our certificates. They can cancel our degree. That's it. So this is profession. In profession, these things are required. And this all the things are in management also. And that's why management is a profession. Now see how. Management is a profession. Now what is meaning of profession? So profession means specialized knowledge in specific field. Specialized knowledge in specific field. And to applying it, they are charging fees. They are getting fees from us. Think, if we are going to chartered accountant for our return filing, and if we are filing return, then they are charging fees. If we are going to lawyer for any case, they are charging fees. If we are going to doctor, they are charging fees. They have specialized knowledge in specific field, and that's why they can charge fees, and it is called profession. That is the profession. Now why management is a profession? Same situation is now in management also. Specialized knowledge required? Yes. Properties. Now characteristics of professional. What professional follow? First thing, requirement specialized knowledge. Yes. They need specialized knowledge like LLB. If we are doing for law, MBBS, MD, MS for become doctor, this is required to be a doctor, to be a lawyer. Same way we need BBA or MBA degree for management. management in HR, management in business administration, bachelor in business administration. These 2 degrees are required for management. So whatever requirement in other profession, that same thing is required here also. For other profession there is degree, here also required degree. So management is what? Profession. Same way other characteristics. Increase in knowledge and research. Management also increases knowledge and research. How they are increasing knowledge and research? Experience and training. They are getting experience by different work and giving training to improve them. And that's why increasing knowledge and research is possible. That is done in management also. And these things are given in management, doing in management also. That's why management is a profession, because it's a professional characteristics. And this all the things are in management also. So management is a profession. Now third characteristics of professional association is there. In each professional cases there is association. There is members committee. IIM develop professional of management at national and international level. In India, IIM there, Indian Institute of Management, which provide this professional things to nation and work at international level also. So all over national level and international level, IIM work as a profession, and that's why professional association is there. Yes, that is. Fourth one, implementation of code of conduct. That is important one. Now, what is meant by code and what is meant by conduct? Code means rules, conduct means behavior. Each and every field have their own code of conduct. Code means rules, conduct means behavior that they have to follow. If we are a member of that particular association, then we have to follow that rules and regulations. So, code of conduct, behavior, all the members have to follow. All the members have to follow. So, implementation of code of conduct is there. In management also there, and that's why it is professional. Going ahead, next and last, moral responsibility is there. Be loyal. Now, sir, what is be loyal means what? Think, suppose I am working in a company. And I know everything about the company that I cannot share with others who are not our company's person. We cannot share some special information to other company. That is responsibility. Moral responsibility. Be loyal. Suppose CA is working for me, they cannot share my information to other. Moral responsibility is there. Management also, that is the responsibility, because management of HR, manager of HR, human resource manager, they know each and every policy of HR. They cannot share that information to other. That is very important. So be responsible, moral responsibility. Be loyal. These all the things, characteristics of professional. And that's why this all the things applicable in management also. And management is called profession. Simple. All the professional things, characteristics is in management. That's why management is a profession. Now see all the things. Management is a science. Why science? Rules, regulations, experiments, all the things. All the things are in management also. So management science. how to know what is in it. No. Rules and regulations. No. What to do is in management. That's a combination of both. Professional, because we are getting degree, getting specialized knowledge and applying it, getting fees. All the things is applicable in management also. That's why it's a profession. And last thing which is here written here, management developing as an independent profession. Management developing as an independent professional. Yes, it's a profession independently working, because all the management colleges are there which are providing specialized knowledge, and thereafter we can work as our own basis. So management has developed their own criteria, own area. So it's a profession. Give benefit. This independent area, development of management, give benefit to particular person who is doing management. Particular society in which person is working, and all over world get benefit. First of all, country get benefit. So country. So person himself, society, surrounding, country, whole country. And because of this, some management rules and regulations are different and applicable. And if it is applied very well, then that applications are accepted by whole world also. So this all the things is related to management. Management is a science. Management is an art. Management is a profession. This is clear in this lecture. Meet you in next lecture with different topic. Bye.